I'm Buntag Luis and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Advance Happy New Year! Kamusta?
Ayan. Maayong buntag sa inyo, Attorney Resi and Davao. Ayan, mabuti naman tayo. Kayo, kamusta?
We're doing great and we're so happy na makasama ka ngayon. Of course, when you're at home ba, what do you usually do?
When I'm at home, I usually just eat, workout, spend time with my family, and yung mga pets namin, ayan, kulitan, play my video games, syempre. Watch yung mga shows or movies, ayan. Just relax, ganyan. Bahay lang talaga.
That's so fun, no? I'm sure a lot of people are raving about this parang point in your life where they're asking, what do you do ba daw to keep yourself fit and healthy?
Yeah. Regular exercise yan. Kailangan natin yan. Not just, I do it more of a lifestyle, not just for aesthetic. Hindi lang talaga para just to look good kasi it's for my job, but also to just be healthy. Lalo na ngayon na may COVID tayo, diba? So we need to keep our immune system strong and to be able to live a more quality life. Ayan.
On a more personal note pa, pag walang trabaho, walang camera, sino ba si Luis Hontiveros? So, syempre, at home or behind the camera?
Behind the camera si Luis Hontiveros ay mahihain. Maniwala kayo sa hindi. Yes, like
maniwala. Tell us more.
I'd prefer not to be noticed. Like I prefer na walang parang attention sa akin. You know, not like when you're in front of the camera. Siguro weird sa inyo na marinig na ako mahihain kasi I'm in this industry, diba? Showbiz, kanyan, umaarte. Pero that's just because it's my job. Iba yung si Luis Hontiveros lang yan. Pero hindi ako yung artista, yung trabaho ko. That's how I always explain it to people. I prefer to be just with the people na who I just really know, ganyan, yung mga circle of friends ko lang talaga nung high school pa, ganyan. Hindi ako yung parang very all-out artista life. Ako personally, ganun lang. I prefer na yung simple lang, normal life lang. Yan.
Grabe. And that's really an interesting thing that we've learned about you this morning. Kasi I'm sure it's also quite a struggle to put yourself out there, right? Alam namin that you're also a celebrity. We know that 2022 is going to be really maswerte para sa'yo dahil meron kang bagong project. Tell us more about
Yes. We are very, very happy about that. Very grateful. So, ayan, excited na akong na mapanood nyo. Very soon, February, Valentine's Week yan. False positive po mga kapuso. Ayan, kasama po natin dyan si Zian Lim, Glyza De Castro, Alma Concepcion, Toton Gutierrez. Ayan, yan po ilan sa mga kasama natin sa false positive. Siguradong kikiligin kayo. Matatawa, ayan, for sure. Dahil talagang masaya kami dito sa set at talaga pinaghihirapan namin yung aming pagtitaping dito para naman may share kami sa inyo sa araw ng Valentine's.
Ano ba yung magiging character mo naman dito sa false positive?
Ayan, I guess tulad sa Two Having to Hold, nung mga bandang una, kinabisitan si Daryl. Ngayon naman, bibisita naman kayo ni Devon Rosales. Ayan. Si Devon Rosales dito, attorney, he's very rude, discriminating, sexist siya, misogynist siya. But though masama yung kontrabida dito si Devon Rosales sa magiging story, but what I want to share sa mga viewers natin, sa inyo lahat, mga kababayan, sa kalalakihan, sa portrayal ko dito, gusto ko maipakita yung mga parang yung mga sexist remarks ng mga kalalakihan, yung mga pag-uugali natin, yung mentalidad naming mga lalaki towards sa mga kakayanan ng mga kababaihan.
Grabe, wonderful message, and we can't wait kung ano yung mga inihanda ninyo para sa lahat na ating mga kapuso dito sa False Positive. Apart from that naman, Luis, meron ka pa ba ding mga dream roles, mga dream projects that hopefully magawa mo rin in the coming months or years?
Yes, Attorney Resi. When I always get asked this question, ako lagi ko talaga sinasabi, consistent ako dito. I want to play yung role na someone who has mental illness. I want to tackle mental health. I always try to go for roles na can send a message or at least trigger yung critical thinking natin. Like, ask big questions, important questions. So ako, gusto ko yung character na ma-play ko in the future. Hopefully, either a show or a film, a military veteran with PTSD. Yan. Or someone na may mental illness. Somewhere along that line. Yan. Gusto ko kasi talagang mapag-usapan yung mga bagay na parang we're very sensitive about talking about these specific topics. Yeah.
That's interesting, and you sure do know how to challenge yourself, Luis. Grabe ka. And of course, ito na lang, mensahe mo sa lahat ng ating mga kapuso all over Mindanao, and imbitahan mo na rin sila na abangan ang False Positive ngayong February. Go ahead.
Ayan, maayong buntag, Davao. Maayong buntag sa inyo, Mindanao. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo na panoorin sa 2022. Malapit na po yan. Ang False Positive, kayo po ay kikiligin, matutuwa, tatawa. Yan, ang dapat nyo abangan. Kasama po namin dyan si Zian Lim, Liza De Castro, Tonton Gutierrez, and Alma Concepcion, at marami pa pong iba. Abangan nyo po yan sa February na po yan. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Dagan kaayong salamat, Luis. Thank you for joining us dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Maraming salamat, Attorney. Mag-iingat kayo lagi, and Merry Christmas. Happy 2022.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.